All right, Joe. Bailbonds 101. So, past couple months, I've been trying to work, and I keep running into these little fucking people at these houses that think they know the law. So let me give y'all a breakdown of what bail bond agents and recovery agents in the state of Colorado can and cannot do. Okay? This is, for people who's either had their rights violated by some punk ass bounty hunters, or this is also for the new recovery agents and bondsmen that are getting into the business. So you hear it from me. I've been bounty hunting 10 years. I've been a bondsman almost 8. And I can tell you right now that you need to listen, because if you don't, you're going to end up catching yourself a case. So, here we go. If you have a fugitive or bond client who lives in the Jefferson County area, anywhere in Jefferson County, okay? I mean, anywhere, Arvada, Littleton, Lakewood, Wheat Ridge, Westminster on the west side of it. It does not matter if your client / fugitive is standing in the window flipping you off, waving. You cannot break and enter into the home to get that fugitive. You have to wait for them to come out. Don't argue about it. I don't care if you've been doing it longer than me. I can tell you right now, if you do that, the district attorney, Peter Weir of Jefferson County, will hand your fucking ass to you. You will be convicted. You will go to prison. Okay? Now, outside of Jefferson County, yes, we are allowed to breach entry, but there has to be extenuating circumstances. Here's what I mean by that. You see your guy pull up, you decide to get out and confront him. He goes to take you on a foot chase. You're chasing him. He goes into the residence, shuts the door. You can legally break the door down to get your fugitive. If the door's unlocked, go right on in. Just know that the cops will be getting involved. And here's why. Neighbors, the people in the house that don't know what's going on, everybody's calling 911. So, to save all that, call your local police where you're at. Let them know who you are, what you're wearing, what you're doing, if you're armed, who you're looking for, what address you're looking at. Give them all these specifics and be very detailed, because one fuck up and you're in trouble. Okay? If you physically see a fugitive through the window and they refuse to open the door, yes, you can legally kick the door in. However, you cannot be in Jefferson County in Colorado, okay? Jefferson County, Colorado, you cannot breach entry. Any other county you can, but be very cautious on doing so. It's not the physical things that could happen when you open that door. It's the legality of the issue. Okay? If you're scared to kick a door in, then don't be a bounty hunter. Or just be an outside guy. Or backdoor guy. However you want to. It is 2019. Now, when somebody co-signs a bond, they are not, I repeat, they are not giving up their Fourth Amendment right. Okay? So it does not give bounty hunters the right to walk right into a co-signer's house to search for their fugitive unless they sign a form stating that they are giving you permission to come in at any time to search at that residence. That has to be signed upon doing your paperwork with them in the beginning, before the bond's even written. So, I've been hearing a lot of people run around saying that shit, and I don't think that's cool. I'm not into violating people's rights. Yes, I'm an asshole when it comes to bounty hunting. I shouldn't have to bounty hunt. I shouldn't even have to go to your house and knock on your door. You should go to court, get all your shit taken care of on all your court dates, get your bond released, and go on about your business. If somebody knocks on your door and they're refusing to identify themselves and they're in tactical gear, read their badge. Just read it. Don't open the door. Read the badge. Now, it is true that if I am at a co-signer's house and they just happen to put that the defendant lives there, as in defendant address, and they write down their address as being that defendant's address, yes, I have the legal right to walk in there whenever the hell I damn well please. As long as the co-signer and them are still living there. If the co-signer is no longer living there, I do not have the legal right to walk in there. I do have to ask permission, because then it becomes a third-party home. So, make sure before you post a bond, the person you're calling is a legit bondsman. What I mean by that is, if you meet up with them, ask them to see their bonding license. They're going to have what's called an RPB number. It's a 6-digit number. If they can't produce that or they refuse to produce that, then I would say go with a different bonding company. You can ask me for my IDs, and I'll show you all of them. My driver's license, my pistol permit, my bonding license, my bail enforcement ID. Trust me, I am fully legit. So, also, there are some people out there you want to stay away from. Alan Howe with U.S. Judicial Services is currently fighting a felony case in Boulder County, Colorado. So until his legal issues are over, I would say do not hire him. Let's see. Be careful working with Robert Padilla. All I'm going to say is you working with Robert, you'll get what you pay for. Anyway, bonding agents. I'm going to give you some names of people who are acting as bonding agents. They are not bonding agents, and they will tell you they're going to call their quote-unquote partner. Wendy Pelton, co-founder of Busted Bailbonds, that is no longer in business. Her and her boyfriend, Todd Gotti Huntley, keep taking money from people and getting bonds written. I don't know what bonding agent is dealing with them, but you need to stop before you end up under an indictment right along with them. If anybody has any questions about what we can and can't do legally, why don't you go ahead and hit me up. You can follow me on Instagram at Most Hated Bail Agent, or on YouTube, Mile High Bounty Hunter, or you can find me on Facebook under the name William Ellenberg. There's a couple of us on there, so make sure it's the one in Colorado. Other than that, you guys have a great day. And just want to let you know that no, bail recovery agents and bail bondsmen are not police, so please stop telling us that we try to act like the police, because I don't. I give a fuck about your failing to appear. I don't give a fuck about your charges. Your dumb mistakes in life have nothing to do with my personal opinion. Other than that, you guys have a nice day. God bless. And if you need a bondsman, hit me up. EMB Bail Bonds, 720-469-0526.